Now collenchyma, the cells are long and thick walled. You can see the cell wall is thick and cell wall is made up of cellulose and pectin. It is the only tissue with highest refractive index due to the presence of pectin. It is found in hypodermis of dicot stem and vascular bundle of dicot leaves. The amount of chloroplast is less in the cell have no intercellular spaces. You can see the diagram. The wall is thickened at the corners. It's thick, and you can see the nucleus in the side and a large vacuole. Cell wall is very thick, and this is also made up of cellulose and pectin. This is the transverse section and longitudinal section of collenchyma. In this you can see the cell wall is very thick. The diagram, cytoplasm present, it means it is a living cell wall thickening you can see, and vacuole nucleus. Chloroplast is present in collenchyma also. It has less intercellular space as compared to the parenchyma. This is middle lamella, and function. What is the function? They provide mechanical support and elasticity to dicotyledonous stems, provide tensile strength and flexibility, allow easy bending in various parts of the plant without actually breaking. Means they provide elasticity and tensile strength. Means you have seen that some plants they bend up to an extent, and some can bend very flexible. So that is actually due to the tensile strength, due to the elasticity, due to the tensile strength of the tissue, right? Because of this, these can be bent into the various angles. Next is sclerenchyma. These are dead tissue. As you have seen in collenchyma and parenchyma, if you have observed the structure, this diagram you can see this is a blank space. Here there is no cytoplasm is marked. Okay, so these are living, these are non-living, or we can say the dead tissue, very hard and rigid in texture. Cell are thick walled with the various size and shapes. They provide mechanical support and rigidity to the plant. The most common example of this is coir. जैसे नारियल पे जो कवर होता है, that is actually what is that is dead tissue which totally loses the capability or ability of division and becomes sclerenchyma. There is no cytoplasm or protoplasm, which is known as the living material of cell. Because of that, the cell is considered as living material. Okay, so this is the diagrammatic representation. There is a narrow lumen in the center and simple, you can see the very thick wall, and there is no cytoplasm.